Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can apply false lashes. So I'm going to teach you a very easy and simple method how you can apply false lashes. So first of all, the things which you need is lashes, of course, false lashes, and an eyelash applicator which looks like this, and you can use any tweezer, or if you want you can use your hands, but if you are a beginner this will be really helpful for you, and eyelash glue. And you need to use a good quality eyelash glue so that it will give you a better result. So I'm using Beautify by Amna 3D eyelashes in the style Bonjour 02. First of all, what you have to do is to just pull them out from the packaging. Just take them like this, and you just have to pull them like from the middle so that the shape won't be disturbed. Okay, now what you have to do is to measure it on your eyelids. Like it is a little bit wider. So what you have to do is cut it from the outer corner. I am going to cut just one piece of it, just a little bit. Now I'm going to measure it again. Now you can see it is exactly of my eyelids. Okay, now what you have to do is to take the eyelash glue, apply it on the inner side of your eyelash. So what you have to do is to apply the eyelash glue, then wait for just 10 seconds so that it will be a little bit drier. Give 10 seconds. I'm not gonna fast forward this video so that you guys will understand more easily. Now take the eyelash and the applicator very gently. Now what you have to do is, you can see the position. Never apply it like this. Go it from the upward side. Can you see this? Like from the upward side, so that it will be properly fixed. So now okay, so it's done. What you have to do is just to place the eyelashes in the middle and set both the corners, and you are done. I'll show you again with this eye. What you have to do is to pull it, like pull it from the middle, hold it, and then stretch it so that the shape won't be disturbed. Like you can see. Where's the camera? Yeah, you can see this. Now we are going to crop the outer corner. Now apply the eyelash glue on the inner band. So go with this. I'm using my hand this time. And you are done. I know if you are a beginner, you will feel a little bit difficult to do this, but trust me, it's really very easy. Like you can see, it is fixed. What you have to do is just to push the corners. Yes, and you can see. So this was the easy tutorial how to apply false lashes. Thank you for watching. If you need more tutorials like this, and if you want to ask something, you can contact me on my Instagram, or you can comment down below as well. So if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and give it a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Bye.